Hey guys, this is Jackie Van Ham, your traveling correspondent here at Chopper Town. I'm at the Dallas 36th Annual Progressive International Motorcycle Show. I want to go ahead and turn the camera on because we have a bunch of really great vintage and antique bikes as well as custom bikes on display here. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys and invite you to come on along. Thank you so much for clicking and liking and sharing all of these videos with your friends. If you have any questions, let me know. You can type them in. I can see them in the comments. We appreciate you. So I'm going to turn this camera right back around and show you some of these bikes. Hey Chris, this is in Dallas, Texas. So these machines that I'm pointing out to you, these first two ones, were part of this year's pre-1916 Cannonball, which is that coast-to-coast ride on 100-year-old plus machines. So that's why I wanted to point out that road book. These rode from New Jersey all the way to California back in September, I believe. Hey Stuart, how are you, buddy? Hey Eduardo.
His colors are the colors of
Look, there we go.
yeah.
Hi guys, how are you?
That's Junior Burrell's bike. Are you live right now?
I am. Say hello to Chopper Town.
You got the Jazoos. Oh, there's a great.
Pocket is calling me.
Oh, so.
So if you're just now joining us, we are in Dallas, Texas at the 36th Annual Progressive International Motorcycle Show. These bikes are all competing this weekend in the J&P Cycles Ultimate Builder Custom Bike Show. So we've been set up here all weekend. It's been a really great crowd. Show closes tonight at 5 o'clock though. If you're in the Dallas area and want to come on by, of course, we'd love to see you. In 2 weeks, we will be in Cleveland, Ohio, and then after that is Minneapolis, and then after that is Chicago. We'll be at all those shows. If you want to buy tickets and come on out and come say hello, we'd love to see you. You can find more information to buy tickets at www.motorcycleshows.com. Hey, Steve Powers, I would love to get to Oregon.
No trial?
My buddy Mike Harden's Great Flathead. Hey Kel, you're very welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on it, liking, and sharing with your friends that love kick-ass choppers.
Sorry. There, he is right there. I was just shooting you a text.
This is one of you guys? Say hello to Chopper Town.
Hey, Chopper Town. That's Ryan. Ryan Brown. Downtown Ryan Brown on Chopper Town.
Hey Ryan Brown, how are you?
Very good.
Great looking bike. What year is this engine? What is this based off of?
Engine is a 65 Pan. It's sitting in a 47 knuckle frame in front of it.
Very cool. 65 panhead engine in a
47 knucklehead frame.
47 knucklehead frame, he said. And I'm sure you follow us on Facebook, Chopper Town?
I do.
Good man. Hey, Kearns. Hey John, I love the pans too. Hey Jeff, what's up, buddy? Oscar. You're welcome. So if you're just joining us, I'm at Dallas, in Dallas, Texas. I'm at the 36th Annual Progressive International Motorcycle Show. I just wanted to walk up and down the row and show you some of the bikes that are competing this weekend for the J&P Cycles Ultimate Builder Custom Bike Show. I started the show though with some great looking bikes that are here in the vintage motorcycle display. My friends from NTNOA, North Texas Norton Owners Association, and AMCA are responsible for bringing all those awesome bikes at the vintage display, and thank you very much to them. Just want to give them a little shout out. Hey Ralph, vielen Dank. Hey Jacob, thanks for your service. And somebody was making some noise earlier about wanting to see some trikes. Hey Stuart, big wheel baggers are alive and well here in Texas. Hey Jacob, I think you guys are pretty dope. Where's the final drive? A little bit of a local bike from Junior Burrell at Retro Moto. Sí, Fernando, mucho complicado. Hey Sean, what's up, buddy? Hey Matthew, if you're asking about this bike, this is a Yamaha based bike. Jacob, you thought that was dirty. Any fans of the big fat tired bikes out there? Around the World motorcycle.
That's my favorite. This is my favorite. I'm taking pictures. Grizzly.
Great looking S&S engine based bike. A little love for our friends over at S&S. Yes, Fabio, it's been a really, really great show. We've had a great weekend. Lots of you folks liking this bike. I know, it's a really good one. Sí, Fernando, qué lindo. I don't know, Jacob, I like those flat bars. I like those straight bars. Hopefully we will see you next time, Fabio.
Can a photo bomb or you pop me upside the head? I know that answer. Got it?
Hey, Larry.
Yeah.
Hey Walter and everybody, thank you so much for sharing this video. We appreciate you. And I'm gonna finish with this great looking chopper for my buddies over at Strokers Dallas, Mr. Rick Fairless.
There you go with those shades. That's more of the gold.
I know, Dennis, those forks were really great on that black bike back there. I agree.
With the reverse, what that would be.
Yeah, well, I mean, Roland Sands has got those, but I thought about the brake. And I go like, well, I mean, they do that with Roland Sands. 3 days,
Well, friends, thank you so much. We appreciate each and every one of you for liking, clicking, sharing, and commenting on all of our videos here at Chopper Town. Thank you so much for supporting all of our independent media out here. Without you guys, we couldn't do what we do. So thank you so much. We appreciate you for coming on out and clicking on all these and answering and asking questions and all that good stuff. Like I said, I'm going to be at Cleveland in 2 weeks, and then Minneapolis, and then Chicago. I'd love to see you, so don't be a stranger. If you catch me out at these shows, please feel free to come say hello. I love seeing you guys, and thank you so much for being members of our Chopper Town family. Have a great day, everybody.